This is a Hansatic front-load washing machine. I will discuss all error codes shown on this washing machine's display. The first error code shown on the display is E01. This error code is for the door lock of the washing machine. If the door lock of the washing machine is not fitted correctly, or the door is not appropriately closed inside the door lock, then this error code will be shown. I have already made a video on testing the washing machine door lock, which will be linked at the end. You can see that video to learn how to test the washing machine door lock. The following error code on the washing machine is shown as E02. Let me explain what E02 means when shown on the washing machine's display. This error code sometimes vanishes. Sometimes, it stays on display for a long time.
What?
The washing machine has been powered on for quite a while now. The washing machine is not able to take water. When the machine cannot take water appropriately, the washing machine keeps waiting to let the water flow toward its drum. I think the washing machine waited for 10 minutes. After that, this error E02 started to show on the display. Let me take the camera closer so that you can see the error has disappeared. The washing machine's program is set to 60 minutes. The program is stuck at 57 minutes, and the error code is also shown. So when the washing machine does not take water, this E02 error code is shown. There are different reasons why washing machines don't take water. I have fitted the water hose properly with the inlet water valve. A filter is installed inside the water inlet valve. If it is blocked due to molds, the water will either flow slowly in the washing machine or not. If your tap adapter has molds, the water will not flow into the washing machine. Simply if the tap valve is not open, the water will not flow into the washing machine. Other than this, the tank in your home has no water, still the washing machine will not take water. A solenoid valve is installed in the washing machine. If this solenoid valve is malfunctioned, as this valve is cracked, electricity will pass through it. The valve will not work. Check all these things in your washing machine. So I hope you will fix this E02 error code from your washing machine. I already have made a video on how to repair the water inlet valve, which will be linked at the end. Now, if an E02 error is shown on your washing machine, the situation is different, and the drum is filled with water. In this situation, the washing machine takes water, and the water inlet valve works fine. Everything I told you before is fine. But still, the E02 error is shown on the display. Then, the fault will be in the water pressure switch. It is not actually in the water pressure switch, the problem will be with the hose. Or the air trap system will be problematic. If this pipe is cracked and air leaks out of it, the E02 error code will still be shown on the display. The next error code now shown on the display of the washing machine is E03. This means that the washing machine is not able to drain water. This means that the drain system of the washing machine is not working fine. There are various reasons for this. Let me explain all the reasons. The water is standing inside the drum right now. I had selected a program from the washing machine's display, but it could not complete the program. It started to show the E03 error code on the display because the water was not drained from the drum. Over here, the drain pump is installed in the washing machine. I will open the cover to see inside. I am using a screwdriver to open it. I have placed it here inside the empty area, and I will pull it outward. The cover has come out. This washing machine has no emergency water exit hose installed. The filter of the drain pump is installed only. You will have to rotate it anti-clockwise to remove it. Make the water out from the drain pump. When the water is out, then check if any dirt or mold is stuck inside, and clean them. The problem can be fixed by doing it. Now, I have placed the machine upside down on the ground to explain further. If the winding of the drain pump goes bad or burns, then, this error code will be shown on the washing machine. If the wire coming out of the circuit board is not connected properly or has a loose connection with the drain pump, it will cause problems. Other than this, if mold is stuck in the drum pump, it will still cause problems. This is the bottom hose of the washing machine with an eco valve on it. If it gets blocked or choked with soap scum, still, the drain will not work correctly. Let's talk about the next error code, which is an error code and a function. Let me explain that to you. The word end seems to flash on the display when seen through the camera, but when I see it in reality, it does not flash. This end has various meanings. The first is that when the washing machine finishes any function, the end starts to display with a beep sound. But if the washing machine has any fault, it will still show the end option on the display. You will also get to know that the machine has not performed the function you have set in it. All three error codes I told you before, If any other problem is shown in the washing machine other than those problems, then the washing machine will show end on display. For example, if the water flow switch in the washing machine malfunctions and any wires of the water flow switch are cut off or the connector is disconnected or loose, then, the washing machine will not display any specific error code related to it. Rather, the end will be shown on the display. You will have to find out what is the actual problem in the washing machine. If the motor of the washing machine does not work, the washing machine will still show the end option on the display. The motor wire could be disconnected. The techo of the motor does not work. The winding of the motor burns due to any reason. The circuit board is not able to turn it on. Still, the end will be seen on the display as an error code. This is the heating element and the sensor installed in the washing machine. The end can be shown if this heating element or the sensor installed in it is faulty. You will have to find out what is malfunctioning in case the end is displayed before the function is completed in the washing machine. This is the list of our Patreons. You can buy me coffee on Patreon. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos. And subscribe. Thank you.